Hey guys, so this is going to be a real-time transformation with my hand. As you guys can see, I already did the base and the latex and all that stuff, just because this stuff took me a long time, and even now it's not that dry, which is why I'm doing it right now. So this is kind of a burst hand look. As you can see, I have these guys in there. So here we guys go. As you guys can see, I based out the entire bottom in a dark red, and this is just me pushing more red in and around the Q-tips I used for the bone. Next, as you guys can see, I just took a paintbrush with a little bit of the black, and I'm putting that right next to those Q-tip areas to create a shadow. It's kind of hard to see, sorry, my angling was off because I needed to look at it a certain way to get it right, but yeah. Now I'm just adding the darkish purpley color around the outside to kind of create a muddied, bruised, like weird stainy hand thing. And here is after it's all done, and I added it, I just kind of pinched and rubbed off the rest all around the hand. And as you guys can see, it looks really cartoony and fake, but I'm not done either, so hold on to your horses. Now I'm going to use vampire blood. This is the blood I've been using in any video where you see blood because I like it. Basically, I just started pouring it in and kind of just making it pull up a little bit and just doing this a little bit at a time. As you guys can see, I filled it up, and then I am trying to tilt my hand enough to where it will drip out naturally, because I think when you brush it on, it does not look as natural. So this is just me trying to cause it to go around in really weird ways and drip through my fingers, which, by the way, this stuff is cold because it's down in my basement, which is cold. And it also stained my hand really badly on the other side, so I regretted doing this. Okay, so here I'm using some spray blood, just to kind of get more blood around the hand area to hide the edges and stuff, because I was not that careful about blending them. By the way, this stuff is, I think, even colder than the fake blood. And now I'm just filling up the little thing with more flake blood, which that weird frothy stuff on it is just, well, the spray blood that I used. And now you can see I'm just kind of, I'm forcefully dripping it out and wiping it along my hand to try to do something. Honestly, I think I was just messing around with fake blood. And there was a lot of it. It's still staying that board that I have right there. It is still on there. I've not cleaned it up yet. It's dry now. And that is just a bloody mess. Oh my god, that is a lot of blood. Yeah. No, I think I freaked out quite a few people already. I should have added a blood warning. Oh well. I guess that's something to learn.